Warehouses are struggling. Workers are slow. Mistakes happen. PackageX has a solution.
This is our warehouse team, hardworking, dedicated, but there is a problem.
Some members on our team take 20 minutes a package. We're moving way too slow.
We're falling behind. Peak season is killing us.
We need a solution, fast.
Introducing PackageX Vision.
Wait, what just happened?
He's flying.
This is incredible.
PackageX Vision, turning slow into fast.
Your personal companion by PackageX.
Meet SloMo at Manifest 2026.